The emblem is still here, hiding under decades of dust.
After nearly 20 years, the Sting Ray rolls again.
There's a small bend, but it's measurable.
Time hasn't been kind to the cabin.
Even the dials are tired and faded.
This is where years of neglect are obvious.
Nothing here has moved in a long time.
The goal is clear: restore, not reinvent.
Everything starts from underneath. Is on without inspection.
The teardown officially begins.
Every bolt has a future place.
Patience saves broken bolts.
This hardware hasn't moved in decades.
One piece at a time. Every part tells a story. Safety first, even during teardown. Stopping power gets a full reset.
Another heavy piece off the car.
Nothing gets mixed up later.
This will decide what gets rebuilt.
Everything starts with a clean slate. Powertrain teardown continues.
Nothing drops without control.
This support has done its time.
Transmission coming down. Careful movements keep parts safe. Old connectors need a gentle touch. The drivetrain is opening up.
The V8 is next.
Balance is everything here.
The heart of the car finally moves.
The chassis is officially empty.
Now the real inspection begins.
Let's see what's inside. This engine has lived a long life. Nothing catastrophic yet, but it's tired. We keep moving deeper. This hasn't been opened in decades.
At least it still turns.
This could change everything.
A small crack with big consequences.
We need to know exactly what we're dealing with.
Every detail matters for the next decision.
Clean metal tells the truth.
There's no doubt now.
This block will need specialist help.
The right part brings hope back.
Original spirit preserved.
This is a fresh foundation.
Every movement is deliberate.
Strength is built one bolt at a time.
Timing starts at the core. Precision masses here.
The engine takes shape again.
A familiar silhouette returns.
This one feels right.
Time hardens more than metal.
This can't go back in.
Reliability starts here.
Just like it left the factory.
The heart is coming home.
Everything has to line up perfectly.
Weight is finally supported.
No shortcuts here.
Drivetrain comes back together.
This fit has to be exact.
Engine and gearbox are one again. Everything sits where it should. Power can flow again.
Signals and sparks are back.
Heat will be managed properly now.
Cooling comes back online.
Engine gets its lifeblood. Electricity flows again.
One last check before ignition.
Let's see if it lives.
crank it first, just to be safe.
Now it's ready.
That sound never gets old.
Everything looks right.
What's happening?
We're past the hardest part.
This body need patience, not force.
Strength comes before beauty.
The lines must be right.
Slow work pays off. The transformation is close. This reveals every imperfection.
The prep work paid off.
This is the shade it was born with. So,
The cabin needs renewal too.
Original look, fresh feel. Visibility comes back.
The face comes back together.
This is the payoff.
The surface finally breathes.
Under its own power.
Is the moment we've waited for.
it moves under its own power.